Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to produce Amapiano like DJ Javan and record tunes whether you're a beginner or you want to improve your production. In this video, I'll guide you from start to finish. Without further ado, let's just dive into the video. Hey, you can download the FLP using the link below. Also, if you want the password for the FLP, please watch the whole video. I'm just gonna go to pad first. Start with the sound first, like blend the sound with our pad. We have something like this. Smooth, bro. And then we create a chord. We do it like this. That's fire. And then we had these ones, the chops that's gonna bring the vibe like do. Alright, we move forward, guys. We had a second chord here. It's kind of play the keys. Now we had a bass line here. Oh, that's fine. Okay, and then we have like the little drum straights, but we start like this. We duplicate sounds here. So now we change the vibe like do 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 to do 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 do. Now we have something like this. And then introduce this one also. So and then we have a bridge here. After that we go crazy, introducing like a lock drum. Something easy, straightforward. Then we have something like these guys. Hey yo guys, so that's all I did in this video, and if you did enjoy the video, you know what to do. drop the comments, like, subscribe, tell me what's on the next. By the way, this is a boy and I'm out. Thank you for watching.